What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dre and you're watching Dre's Ways. And today I'm going to show you guys how I do a full deep treatment on my hair. And when I say a full deep treatment, I mean a full deep treatment. Not a half, but a full. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my future videos. I have cleansed my hair, I have conditioned my hair, I have done all the good things that I need to do to my hair before I do a deep condition. I have no product in my hair, so let's get started. I'm going to be using Camille Rose custom blends. A couple months back, Camille Rose had this little thing where you can go on their website, do like a little survey for your hair, and they'll send you a oil and a deep treatment for your hair. They come in these little containers. It smells really, really good. I like the consistency. Has a nice creamy consistency. It smells so good. It's like a sweet, fruity, makes me want to eat it type of smell. So I try to get the ends first. And then I go in and get everything. Detangling with this product. Oh my God. It's a breeze, as you can see. And that makes me want to leave it as like a styler. Look how defined my hair is. Woo! Now to seal in all the moisture, I'm going to use the Camille Rose oil. I like how it's in like a little dripper. I'm gonna use a lot of oil. This smells so good. Put a plastic bag.
Put a plastic baggie over my hair. Push out the air.
And I'm actually going to sit underneath the dryer so the heat from the dryer can actually open up my hair cuticles and this deep conditioner can really penetrate through the hair shaft. Boom. But yeah, we're gonna sit underneath the dryer so the oil and deep conditioner can really penetrate through the hair shaft, and I can get the best result from this deep conditioner. I am back from sitting underneath the dryer. Woo! That moisture. My hair sucked up all that moisture. See that definedness? See them defined curls? Now I'm about to go wash it out and be right back. But I'm going to be using Camille Rose Curl Maker Gel, and I'm going to be using Camille Rose's Moisture Milk leave-in conditioner. I just got this. The directions say apply to soaking wet hair. Always shake my hair. Oh my god, this smells like vanilla cream or something. Like this has a good like dessert smell. I like to put my gel in first because I just really like definition over volume. So I put that gel in to really get it defined, and then I put the cream on top, like the leave-in. I'll put the leave-in on top so it's not hard and crunchy. I'll just do this to just really get that definition. Okay, and then last step that I do to get my hair really defined is shake. Like y'all see it? Like what? 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 I know y'all see these curls. They're popping. Camille Rose got the curls popping. It's popping. Okay. So now what I do is I'm gonna get these edges. Is it weird that I brushed this? Like, I don't know. And then I literally just brush it just to take my towel and kind of like mess them up. So just take it and then wow, I am loving. But we all know that the real test is when my hair dries. So I'm going to go and do what I need to do for the day, and I will be back to show you guys the finished dry results. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I am back with the final results. My hair is probably about 90% dry, and I love the results. They define my curls, they hydrate my curls, moisturize my curls. There's no flakage, there's no crunch, there's no nothing. Like I love it. This is actually my first time using the curl maker gel with the actual moisture milk. I usually just leave I usually just use like a different type of leave-in. I usually use Cantu leave-in conditioner, the argan oil one, and my hair literally smells like ice cream, like some type of like vanilla bean ice cream, or it just really reminds me of an ice cream smell. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. I am going to go out and hit these streets and, I don't know, do reckless things. Deuces.